Here. Okay. Unspeakable or Kecker or what's that dude that I watch other people's YouTube channels? No. I don't know his name. No, I don't know his name. Yes, I just did it. By the way, guys, like, no, I don't understand what this is all about. I don't have anything to do. I don't have anything to say. I don't have anything to do for y'all. And if I did have something to do, but because you guys, I don't know what to do, and my friend's saying I have to be editor for their YouTube channel. I have my own YouTube channel to be worrying about. You know how that feels, how hard it is to be a content creator. So this video was just for all the content creators out there, so that they can be it. So